Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be cooking turon. Turon is a very popular type of Filipino dessert or snack. It's very easy to make and its ingredients are simple and inexpensive. Try this and let me know what you think. This banana was from my garden. I took it in, and because last week was so hot, na sobrang nahinog masyado ang saging. Oops, I need to go to Woolies first. Kailangan bumili ng mga spring roll pastry. Okay, be right back. Teka, scan muna tayo ng QR code ha. Sandali ha. Wipe muna ng trolley para malinis. Okay, I found a spring roll pastry in the frozen section. Let's go and pay for it. Hi, I'm back. Let's continue cooking. First, peel the banana. Then, cut the banana into half. Continue doing this process until all the bananas are done. Peel the banana and then cut it into half. All done. Now we need the spring roll pastry for wrapping the banana. And we also need sugar. Dip the banana in sugar and then wrap it with the spring roll pastry. We use water to stick the pastry together. Continue this process until all the bananas are done. Dip into sugar, wrap in pastry, water to stick them together. Again, dip the banana into sugar, wrap into pastry, water to stick them together. Last one. All done, all done. Now heat some oil in the pan and just add enough oil to cover the wrapped banana. To test the oil, dip the tip of the chopstick into it, and if it's produced little bubbles, that means the oil is ready. I hope you enjoy viewing this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Love you.